Today I'm in Schoology to show you how you can embed and link items from Google Drive. I'm going to do this today with an assignment, however it works exactly the same inside of a page, a discussion, an assessment. Remember that I can hover over any of the gray lines to add content directly in line. What that means is the content will be added right where that line is instead of at the bottom of your Schoology course. Makes it a lot easier so that you don't have to rearrange over time. So I'm going to add my assignment, and I can link or I can embed the content from Google Drive. Let's start with a link. The first method is by typing out your directions and then selecting those using the link tool here. I can paste in the URL to my Drive document. So if I go over to Drive, grab my article and the link. Again, I just highlighted it, single click, tap the shareable link, copy that, come back to Schoology, and boom, there's a link. Well, let's say I don't want to have to write out that text first. I can do this a second way. Insert content, link. I can go ahead and paste that link in there. I just pasted it since I'd already grabbed it. And I can use text and go ahead and create the link that way. Now, if I don't want learners to have to click a link and jump out, hey, there's nothing wrong with that. We can embed it directly into the assignment itself. I can do that a couple ways. Again, insert content is one of those, and you have to have the Google Drive resource app. You should have that app. You may not have signed into it, so if it asks you to sign in the first time, go ahead and do that, but then Schoology should hold that for you from there. You can browse or you can search inside this to find things in your Drive. I'm going to use this same article as an example. Yet again, this works for videos and other kinds of things stored in your Drive as well. So I check that off, import, and I'm going to choose import embed. This is going to put this yellow box here to let me know that the content is alive inside of that Schoology assignment. Let's take a look at what that will look like. Once the assignment is created, here's what the preview of that looks like. Learners always have the option to pop it out into a separate tab. There is a second way that you can insert this content embedded just like this. Jumping back into Drive, I can open the article, click the three vertical dots in the top right, open in, then click the three vertical dots on that screen, and now I see embed item. It is not on that first preview, it is only on the second, so I'll go ahead and copy that text. Just copy that whole thing, Command A to select all, Command C to copy it. Come back over to Schoology, and now to get that into the viewer, I click this set of two vertical dots, paste that at the end, click the two vertical dots again. There's my yellow box of content. Save that change, and it should appear pretty similarly as it did to the Google Drive resource app. Notice that it is a little bit bigger, so sometimes there's an advantage there to kind of doing that extra step back in Drive, but completely up to you. Both work and work well. I hope that this tutorial on linking and embedding items from Google Drive, such as this article, but again, also works on video and audio, was helpful. And as always, thanks for watching.